Ki Pulit kari Bhoi hapo ka Jingelam u Senior Superintendent of Police kari Bhoi u VS Rathor, but u Additional Superintendent of Police u ba Orville Masar, lembak kiwe ki he officer but ki Pulit nari Bhoi. Haka arpusaw terik urisaw ki lepelong ye ke Khynra ne talasi ye ki kali na do na Byrnihat syadu Jorobat ban penduna ye ke jingja accident ne ke jingja basngausi kabala jujia man Khubor tang nakadaw ke jing Pynkheiñ ki driver jang barok ki jat kali bat haka ne ke jing talasi ki Pulit kari Bhoi ki le kherwet Naphang ban dan kuna ye ki kali ba Pynkheiñ. Hakani ke jing Khynra ne talasi ki kali ki ba Pynkheiñ an na do ke jing di buat driver ke jing penyeng kulmar ki kali hasurok ba ke jing bam deng ye ki helmet ne ki seat belt ke jing pen hairstep ye ki kali bat ke jing bam don kot don sla lasdang menta kasngi na do ke por lai beje jan miet kata na do na Byrnihat chdo Jorobat harangkat ke jing don lang ki te ki he Pulit officer katanat Pulit nari Bhoi.
इस तरह बस हम कहाँ तक है रोड इज आवर हाउस नहीं है चलो आगे चलो काम गाड़ी में भेजना पड़ा यार ट्रक वाला जल्दी निकलो मेघालय से बाहर निकल जल्दी बाहर निकल फोन करो चलो रखो ड्राइवर चला है गाड़ी बढ़ाओ हम लोग काट ले रहे हैं ड्राइवर फोन 1 minute कटा हुआ है जो अभी हम लोग का क्या है हेलमेट है सुंदर फोटो लेगा आपका बोल दो आगे से यहाँ पास नहीं करेगा काटो इसका भी चलान काटो तो अभी बैलून तुम्हारा फाड़ देते हैं हम चलो इसका भी चलान काटो गाड़ी स्टार्ट करो सोनापुर रखो कौन है कितना उम्र है उसका इसका ड्राइवर चलान काटो काटो चलान काटो इसका चलान काटो तो चलो इसको चलान काटो जवानी में तो क्या हो गया ठीक है दिस इज योर फेवरेट कलर ना कल स्कूल है छुट्टी है मंडे जाना है ना मंडे को सुबह स्कूल में इसको लेके जाना ठीक है टीचर को बोलना स्कूल से खुला है ठीक है बोलो बच्चों को हेलमेट देना है ठीक है हाथ मिलाओ चलो चलो क्यों खड़ा करता है गाड़ी चल निकल series of traffic enforcement drives which we are doing since last 2-3 weeks. Today we selected the Byrnihat to Jorobat sector of NH6, in which a common complaint is there from all and sundry in Meghalaya, including general public, the bureaucracy, the police officers, the political executive. Everyone says and points out that because these trucks are illegally parked on the highway and they are blocking almost more than half of one lane of the highway, a lot of vehicles get stuck. The road is free in the backside and in the front, but this small stretch of roughly 5 to 7 kilometers, this gets blocked and choked because of these illegally parked trucks. The main reason is there is a no entry being enforced in Guwahati since morning till evening, and that is the reason why trucks are parked here. So we have found a temporary solution. We are telling these trucks to move to Sonapur road because there is no much traffic, no much population in that road. So they can take a turn below the Jorobat flyover and park their vehicles in the Sonapur side of National Highway. So this will relieve us from congestion on Meghalaya side and remove the bottleneck. Along with the illegal truck parking, we were also checking for the cases of people not wearing helmets and not wearing seat belts, drunken driving, and all. So we are still continuing this. We managed to remove almost 70% of the trucks which were parked there. Some trucks were broken; they were getting repaired, so we could not remove them. But again, we'll send our patrolling teams every roughly 1 hour, 2 hour to check. And this drive will continue for next 5 to 6 days, at least minimum 4 5 times a day by combined teams of various units of Bhoi police. And it is our request also and a direction also, especially to the HMV drivers, do not park on national highways between the two white lines which you see. The line has to be kept free for normal traffic. When you are driving your vehicles, many drivers we see they are blocking the overtaking lane, the right lane, which is absolutely wrong and illegal. So drive on the left lane, drive slowly, don't overspeed, and do not park your vehicles between those white lines. We'll be very harsh, very severe, will not listen to any excuse. If we find your truck being parked between those white lines, we will issue challan. First challan will be a smaller amount, subsequent challans will be bigger amounts as per law. Every subsequent offense, the fine amount goes up. So we don't want to harass you, we don't want to cause you financial loss, but if you don't follow the traffic rules, we have no option left because ultimately life is life takes precedence over everything else.